Hello dear students, welcome to financial accounting classes. Already I have covered basic chapters of financial accounting basics like introduction, concepts, conventions and subsidiary books, journal entries, ledgers, triple column cash book, all these things we have covered, and BRS bank reconciliation statement and also final accounts, bills of exchange, everything we have covered. Now coming to the 12th class related topic, this is non-profit organizations, non-trading organizations. When I was student, a BCom student, we used to call it as non-trading organizations, non-trading profits, non-trading organizations. This is what we used to say, but we are hearing a lot of words like non-commercial organizations, no profit organizations, not for profit organizations, anything, meaning is same. You know that two kinds of organizations will be there. One is commercial, non-commercial. Commercial organization means their main ambition is to earn the profit, maximize the profit, want to go towards the profit. So this is commercial organization. Second one is non-commercial organization. Non-commercial organization means their main ambition is to serve the people, to serve the members, to serve the society. That's all, not to earn the profit. Though if they get the profit also, they will be converting this profit towards the organization activities. No profit. Profit will not be distributed among the members of the organization. Example of non-trading organizations, you can take few hospitals, clubs and Patanjali Chikitsalaya, that is also related to the non-profit organization. So education, hospitals, such kind of things which are organized, which are associated to earn, not to earn the profit, to serve the people. For that purpose, when they start any organization, that is non-trading organization, non-profit organization, non-commercial organization, not for profit organization, anything we can call. So this is non-profit organization. So in non-profit organization, you must know few things. So what are the characteristics of non-profit organizations? If you know it, you will have a very good idea. So we'll see. First one is that, as I told you, non-trading, non-profit organizations, non-trading, non-profit, not for profit, non-commercial, anything you can say. Now characteristics, if you see, serves its members and society. Their main ambition is to give the services to the members of the society. For non-profit organization who have become members, how to become members? To give subscriptions, lifetime membership they have to take by making some payment. So then they'll become member. Suppose there is one club. If I pay 1 lakh, they'll give me a membership. Then if I pay 1 lakh, then I get a membership. So in that way I'll become member. For that services I am going to get, not profit on that 1 lakh. Okay. So their main motto or ambition is to serve its members who have already become members of that organization. Service to that members and also to the society. So with this ambition, this non-profit organizations, non-trading organizations have started. And next characteristic is that specific purpose. Any specific purpose must be there, like Patanjali is there. They wanted to serve only to the people who are in the society. What do they want to serve? Purpose is that to distribute the medicines at cheaper rate, to give medical facilities without any cost. If you go to any Patanjali shop, you will get consultancy free. So that's a purpose. Consultancy free, medicines also at cheaper rate. Like you can take any kind of organization, some purpose is must. Education institutions are also there. Their main ambition is also to give the quality education at less price. So those kind of organizations, purpose is that to give any kind of specific service to the people. And next one is that no distribution of surplus. In non-profit organizations also, they will be getting profit or surplus, excess amount that will not be distributed to the members. because this is non-profit. You cannot expect any kind of profit. That is why the surplus is there, that is not going to distribute, no distribution. But what do? The surplus they'll utilize for the organization activities once again. Means they wanted to grow the organization, they want to spend their activities as much as possible to the people. So that is why no surplus distribution. Next one is that no dividend to members. Dividend also will not be given. Like if I put 1 lakh rupee in shares, I get dividend. If I invest in bank, I get interest. That kind of activities, no dividend. As I said, surplus will not be given to the members. Dividend is also not will be given to the members. Everything will be converted to the organization development activities. Okay. And next characteristic is that voluntary organizations. All non-profit organizations are voluntarily started. Their organizations voluntarily they are giving services. Nobody is going to force. Anyone is interested, they can come and join in the organization, they can share their services, they can give some kind of subscriptions, they can give some kind of donations. It's voluntarily. Okay. Next one, managed by elected members. Managed. How these organizations are running? These organizations are running with the members, managers, elective members. Who are these elective members? Elected by the subscribers, elected by the members of the organization. Suppose there is a organization, non-profit organization, they are having total 100 members. Total 100 members. This 100 members are going to elect management, board of members. So as per the elections, board of members will be selected, board of members. And these people are going to handle the organization activities without expecting any salary, without expecting any kind of commercials. So that is why managed by elected members. Then if you see separate entity, non-profit is organizations also having separate entity. Means organization is different, persons are different. Both are not clubbed. This we have learned in the beginning class. Concepts and conventions, there we have learned business entity concept. Business entity concept means separate, business is separate and member is separate in the same way. Why this entity concept means if organization is going to get any losses, for that losses members are not responsible because organization is different. Organization loss will be borne only by the organization. So that is why it's having separate identity. Next last point is that sources of income. How do they get the sources for the non-profit organizations? Sources from state and central government. Most of the time state government and central government will be giving them donations, will be giving them grants, and also some other members in the society who wanted to serve the people, they are also distributing some kind of subscriptions or donations, charity, will, legacy. No, this terminology you may be finding difficult. Anyway, we will discuss in depth. So any members outside of the organization, outside of the central government, state government also can become members. They can also contribute their amount to the non-profit organizations. Like this they are going to get the sources. So this is about the introduction, brief introduction about non-profit organizations. Now when you see the preparation of accounts, non-profit organization accounts, how do they prepare the account? Preparation of the accounts, 3 steps. You know that in final accounts we had 3 steps. One thing is that trading account, second one profit and loss account, and balance sheet. In the same way here also 3 stages of preparation of the account. First one is receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account. The nature of the receipts and payment account will be just like cash account. Same like cash account. Did you remember cash account? So cash account, debit side receipts, credit side payment. This will start with the opening cash. Opening cash will be on the debit side, all the receipts debit side will write, all the payments credit side will write. Same nature, receipts and payment account, easy to understand. So I am using here cash account. Second one is that income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account nature will be just like trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account, what do you use to write? Debit side all the expenses, credit side incomes, whatever we used to write it over the same thing. This you can expect in the income and expenditure account. Then last one is that balance sheet. Balance sheet is balance sheet only, same as it is. What you have prepared in final account, same balance sheet you have to, same format, same type of balance sheet you have to prepare it. So right now, 3 stages of accounts. One is receipts and payment account, then income and expenditure account, then balance sheet. 3. So in the next class, we'll discuss about few terminologies. How do we handle it? Where do we take? What is the meaning of the terminology? This is very important. If you know it, then only you can proceed for the preparation of the accounts. That we are going to discuss in future. Anyway, hope you got an understanding about what is non-profit organizations. Theory knowledge is also compulsory. Just by hurting problems and understanding the problem, I have prepared, I got the marks, means that is only for the score. Knowledge, no. So that is why please go in depth, and in the coming classes we'll work out lot more problems, and go to the playlist or the description box of this video to find more subjects, more topics, so that you can learn easily. And also do share with your near and dear friends, juniors, seniors, anyone. So this will be useful for many people, not only to the commerce students, non-commerce students like BTech students also having such kind of subjects. So just stay connected, practice well, wish you good luck, take care.